Welcome to a quick guide on enabling push notifications for activities on the Facebook app on PC with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop without constantly checking the app, this is for you. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your credentials so you can access all the settings. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This is your personal hub, and it's where the notification settings live. From there, you'll see a menu labeled Settings and Privacy. Click this to reveal more options. In the expanded menu, select Settings. This takes you to a broad set of controls for your Facebook experience, including how you get notified about different activities. Next, locate and click on Notifications. This is the central place to manage all alert types, so you can tailor what pushes you receive and when. You'll see a variety of categories such as what notifications you receive, delivery method, and specific activity groups. Scroll to the section labeled More Activity About You. This is where Facebook groups together updates related to actions others take or relevant happenings around your account activity. Under this section, you'll find an option for push. Toggle or enable push to allow notifications to come through to your device. Once push is enabled, you'll typically be prompted to confirm the devices or browsers that should receive these alerts. If your PC is set up to receive desktop notifications, you may be asked to allow them in your browser. Make sure notifications are allowed for Facebook in your browser's settings so you don't miss any updates. As a quick recap, open Facebook, go to your profile photo, choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings, select Notifications, find More Activity About You, and enable Push. With these steps completed, you'll get timely alerts about relevant activity without needing to check the app constantly.